Hi all. In this session, we will see about calculated field. Okay, here I am having superstore data. Okay, simply calculated fields. Calculated fields are by using formulas we can derive dimension and measure columns. Okay, simply by using some formulas we can derive new dimension column or a measure column. So we will see that. There are three ways to get calculated field. Okay, one option is that here in analysis. Okay, in analysis, here you can see create calculated field. Okay, second option in this arrow. Okay, in this data pan, here you can see calculated one arrow. In this arrow, you can from this list you can select calculated field. Okay, the third option is that just hover cursor on one of the dimension column. Okay, here dimension column. Then you can just here you can see arrow. In from this arrow, create. In this create, here you can see calculated field. These are the three options to create a calculated field. Okay, so I will go here, create calculated field. So while creating calculated field, you will get a box like this. Here you can change the name of the calculated field. Okay, you can give whatever name you want. Okay, so yeah, just I am giving function. Okay, like this we can give a name in this blank area. Okay, in this space you can write formulas. Okay, in the right side you can see a small arrow. While clicking this one, here you can see all the functions. Okay, in all you can see all the functions here: number functions, string functions, date functions, type conversion, logical, aggregate function, user functions, table calculations. Like this you can see all the functions. So I am selecting number. While selecting number, you will in this list you will see all the number functions related to number. Okay, date function, you can see all the date functions here. In this area, in the right side, you can see while hovering cursor, date diff. Here you can see what is date diff and how to write the format of writing the equation. Okay, formula. Here you can see, and the some of explanation also. Here you can see here you can see. Okay, this is about the calculated field. So in this session, I will show you some of the text functions in Tableau. Okay, for that, first I will region. I will select region. Where is region? Region and yeah, state. Region and state. Okay, here you can see region and state. Now I am going to calculated field. From where? Yeah, from here I am going to create calculated field. Okay. I am giving, first I will explain about concordate function. Okay, concordate function means we can join two columns as one. Okay, we will see that function concordate. Function concordate. In this space, we can write the equation. To concatenate two columns, we can simply write like this. So I want to join these two columns, region and state, okay, as one column. For that, region. Okay, from here select region plus between the two names, that is region name and state name, I want a space. For that, I am giving space like this. We can mention space, then again plus state. Okay, see here you can see the calculation is valid. If there is any error in your formula, okay, you will get a error message here, and the reason of the error also you can see here. Okay, now there is no error. The calculation is valid. Apply. Okay. Here you can see the here it comes as a dimension column. Okay, in this blue color you can see that all the dimension field there. Here and also here you can see equal to sign before ABC. Okay, that means it is a calculated field. You can simply understand which one is the calculated, which field is created with the calculated column. So I am dragging this into text. I can see. See, now it comes as a one column like central, region, and we joined two columns, means region and state. Now central, Illinois, okay, and central Indiana, like this you can see region and state as one column. Okay, this is about the concatenate function. Okay, so next, we can edit the function from here. Okay, in this function concatenate, edit. See, I can edit if I want instead of space I want a like this, so I can see. Now you can see instead of say here you can see underscore. Okay, next function is lower and upper. Okay, for that I am removing this. I am selecting customer name. Okay, here I selected customer name. So in this customer name, I am going to apply upper and a lower function. Okay, for a lower function means we can see the naming full lowercase letter. Upper means we can see the name in uppercase letter. Okay, for that I am going to in this customer name I am going to calculated field. Create calculated field. So by default it comes as a customer name because I came here from customer name from here. Okay, so by default here you can see the customer name. I am giving a name function lower. Okay, customer name. For that we have a function called lower. See, lower, then lower, then they are asking string, that is colon name, that is customer name. Okay, apply. Okay, so see, now the name comes in lowercase letter. Okay, in the same way we have another function called as upper. Okay, we will see that from customer name, create calculated field. Okay, function upper, bracket close, apply, okay. See, function, I am dragging function upper in text. Second, function upper in here, see, function upper. Okay, this is all about upper and lower functions. In upper, you can see all name in uppercase letter. In lower, you can see the name in lowercase letter. Okay, this is about the upper and lower. Now, another function, another text function. How to next we will see how to separate a data. For that, I am dropping this or and selecting order ID. Okay, here you can see order ID. Okay, I want to separate this data. Okay, for that I want to separate CA, okay, as another column, and this last number as another column, so we can separate that also. For that, I am going to calculated field from order ID. Okay, so function first I will create function left. Okay, so I want to separate that left side character, that is CA. For that, we have a function called as left. Okay, left order ID, comma. Here you can see it is asking for number of characters. Okay, from left side, how many characters? I want to split CA, 4, so I will give 2. Okay, then bracket close, calculation is valid, apply, okay. I will bring this function left here. See, here you can see function left comes as a separate column as CA. Okay. Function left text. Yeah, that's it. The function left. Okay. Next, I want to see. I want to separate this last number. Okay. Okay. After this, this last 6 number. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. Okay. For that, I will go to order ID. Then create calculated field. Now we will see function right. Okay, function right. For that, I have a function called as right. Right from here, it is asking for number of characters. From right side, I want to separate 6 characters. Okay, comma 6, bracket close, apply. Okay. See, function right. This from order ID, this is last number is separated here. Okay. So likewise, we can separate the middle means middle character also. Here 2018. I want to separate this 2018. For that, again, I am going to order ID, create calculated field. For this, we have a function called as mid. Okay, function mid function. Okay, mid function string star. Here you can see while giving mid function, it will ask string star. from where it will start, and length, how many characters you want to separate. From start means, for in this example, you can see C is the one position, A is the second position. This space means this is the third position. Okay, it will consider as a position. Okay, this minus. Okay, then 2 is the fourth position. So from here it will string start from 4. So I want to start from 4. Then it will ask the length. Length means I want to extract 4 characters. 2018. In 2018 there is a 4 position, 2018. So again 4 bracket close. Apply. Okay. Dragging this in here. See, function mid, you can see it extracted 2018. Okay. This is all about the function left, right, and mid. So likewise, we can split. We can split a data. Okay, we can split the data. So we'll see that also. For that, I am taking order ID itself. Split is used to extract the data by using delimiter. Okay, delimiter means delimiter. Okay, so it is a space or underscore anything. Okay, anything will come as a delimiter. See here you can see after CA there is an hyphen. This hyphen in this hyphen will call it as a delimiter. Okay, after 2018 here also you can see one hyphen. So we'll call this as a delimiter. If you have a space here, okay, in that space also we will call as a delimiter. Okay, so I want to split. For that I am taking order ID. Here you can see I have 2 delimiters after CA and after 2018. First I will split the first delimiter, then I will split the second delimiter. For that I am going to calculate. I am going to create a calculated field. Okay, name function split. Function split. Split. Okay, there is a function called a split. Order ID. Order ID. Okay, then comma. I want to split the hyphen means underscore. Okay, I want to split the here can split string delimiter. We need to mention the delimiter here. I mean delimiter. Then token number. Token number means token number means yeah, token number means I am giving 1. Okay, means it will remove the first delimiter. Okay, that is the token number. We need to mention the which delimiter we want to delete. Okay, it's 1. Then bracket close. Apply. Okay. See. Okay, I will select function split here. See, it is split at the CA. Okay, splitted from splitter the before character in the this delimiter, first delimiter. Okay, next I want to split the data from the second delimiter. Okay, for that create calculated field function split to. Okay, split order ID, split order ID, comma, the delimiter, we need to mention the delimiter here, then token number, okay. Earlier we put here 1 because we want to separate data from this delimiter, so we extracted CA. Now we want to extract data from the second delimiter. Okay, so for that, first I will give 2, then you can see when I give 2, it will extract the data before this second delimiter, that is this year. There is some okay, function split to C 2018. Here you can see function split to we gave here 2. Okay, so it is splitted before the character before this second delimiter. So you want to extract the data from after the second delimiter, you can give 3. So it will extract the data split to C. Here change it here. It is changed into this number, last number. Okay, this is about split function. Okay, so yeah,